Hi, my name is Matthias. Today I will teach you how to make a healthy waffle. We need milk, eggs, oats, and Herbalife shake. And if you want, you can put a little bit of chocolate chips. You need to put two fingers of milk. This.
Okay.
You need to put two scoops of Herbalife shake. 1, 2. Now you need to put the eggs. Now you need to put oats. 2 scoops of oats. We need to blend it 3 minutes. Okay. Now you need to put oil in the waffle machine. Okay. Now you need to put the Herbalife shake over here. And if you want, you need to put a little bit chocolate chips. Now you need to wait. When the light is green, you can take it out. And the waffle is cooked. Now you can eat the waffle.